Hello, beautiful souls. Many of you have watched me lead, serve, and pour into our community for well over a decade. And you've also probably watched me go a little quiet lately, but I didn't disappear. I transformed. And today I'm stepping forward as the woman I became on the other side of that transformation. And with that transformation came clarity, much clarity, clarity about what needed to end and what was ready to rise. This past week, I shared that S.C.A.R.S, the nonprofit that I founded and led for over 12 years, will officially come to a close at the end of this year. That work was sacred and it shaped me. And now that chapter is ending, so the evolution of that mission can rise in a new form. This isn't an ending, this is an evolution. And with evolution comes identity. So let me reintroduce myself to you. I am Sonia J. Holt Cartwright, restorative wellbeing strategist and soul liberation guide. I walk with women who are ready to remember who they are, release what they're not, and rise into alignment with the life their soul intended for them. This is not surface work. This is root work, identity work, liberation work. And this evolution in me is what gave rise to Restorative Pathways. Restorative Pathways is the next expression of everything that I've healed, lived, learned, and carried. It's a movement. It's a pathway back to wholeness, a return to balance, personally, spiritually, emotionally, and financially. It's where healing meets identity, where leadership meets liberation, where ancient wisdom meets real world transformation. And truthfully, it's the work that my soul has been preparing me for. In this next season, you're going to see me speak more openly, more boldly, and more truthfully than ever before. You'll see teachings on spiritual awakening, emotional healing, divine feminine balance, human design, and the work of restoring the whole self. You'll see tools, conversations, and spaces that are designed to help you rise into alignment. And yes, you'll also see me on YouTube sharing the wisdom that's been moving through me for years. And if you're wondering who all of this is for, well, this is for the women who feel something shifting inside of them, the ones who are ready to rise, the ones who know that there is something more in their story than just survival. This is for those who are done shrinking, who are done silencing, and who are done settling. And because of that, timing absolutely matters, and that is why I am speaking now. This is the season where I stop hiding the work that my soul has been preparing me for. This is the season of alignment, the season of embodiment, the season of rising. And if you are still listening, know that's not by accident. If anything in you is stirring while you're listening, if you're getting a nudge, trust it. Stay close. Walk with me, because this season right here, this is different. I'm here, healed, liberated, and ready to speak. So let's walk this chapter together.